Formal nang binuksan sa publiko ang isang neonatology center at ang ambulatory surgical facility sa Cebu. Bahagi ito ng Health Facilities Enhancement Program ng Department of Health. Yan ang sentro ng balita ni Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu.
Formal na ang pagbubukas ng Neonatology Center sa Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. Makikita sa 8 palapag na gusaling ito ang komprehensibong mother and child services gaya ng Human Milk Bank, Neonatal Intensive Care Unit, may Pediatrics Consultation Rooms, Women and Children Protection Center at ang Ambulatory Surgical Facility. Dumalo sa ribbon-cutting ceremony ang mga doktor at opisyal ng ospital, mga government officials at maging mga kinatawan ng Office of the Presidential Assistant for the Visayas o OPAV.
The neonatology building stands as a beacon of hope and compassion. It represents our devotion to providing the highest standards of care to our youngest patients. It is investing in the future of the Philippines by giving every child a fighting chance. Aided by the state-of-the-art medical technologies and a team of dedicated and well-decorated healthcare professionals.
Kasalukuyang may 17 specialty centers ang Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center at malaking tulong ang pagdagdag ng Neonatology Center na naglalayong mabigyan ng state-of-the-art na serbisyong medikal ang mga sanggol, anuman ang estado sa buhay ng kanilang mga magulang at pamilya.
We are really proud with Vicente Soto to our visitors because, as I said, this is not just the pride of Region 7 or the Visayas. It is both an envy to both DOH hospitals, both the local government hospitals, and even the private hospitals. Continuously elevating the pedestal of excellence of the hospital.
Bahagi ang Health Facilities Enhancement Program sa priority projects ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na walang maiiwan lalo na sa healthcare services. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.